Humans gesture with their body, they say with their mind. And then interpersonally explain with their language and their mathematics. Again and again. What they can't solve and describe as a mystery and a secret, they're always working on and updating on their objects. Controlling them and all of those other humans who aren't as dominant in silence. Dr. Nash went schizophrenic, and I'm gosh darn tan as F-U-C-K. However, there's so much Antifa and simulation and matrix. I get distracted and can't explain any other way other than a memory of these dominant humans and their eyes and their behavior observations, disrupting other students who are doing other work besides what they do with their stimulation, addiction, and emotional pledge of their diseased self and ego, clinging to what they are noticing and hearing and feeling and seeing with their freedom. They have as their reward for their solving and elimination of not only their poop and their urine, those parts that dumb bully doesn't understand, whispering to me and talking to me with his dark black skin when I'm not paying attention, and not caring about his awareness and their dominance with their stimulation pleasure they read about when they weren't considering their next masterpiece of their economics of war and suffering. They practice at University of Washington. Nobody cares about and nobody thinks about unless they're me saying to them, leave me alone and go ride until you die. You'll never have this surgeon for when you get cancer from your dominance and your dominant stare of your emotion you don't explain other than a mystery, repeating in your dialect of your communist socialist ideology in silence.